factor tree of 255. So 255, it can be written as 3 times 85. 3 times 85 means 255. So now 85, it can be written as 5 times 17. 5 times 17 means 85. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So it is 3, 5 and 17. So we can write 255 is equal to the product of all these prime numbers, that is 3 times 5 times this 17. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.